Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 8T and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store. Now type repos for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Open it, pick one of the options and tap agree. Now go into Instagram and pick a photo that you want to download, for example that one. Tap at the three dots located over here and choose share to. Tap on repost app and go back to it. Now click at the photo and tap at the square icon to remove the label. Lastly, click middle button. As you can see, my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!